We're with Gayle Goddard of the Clutter Fairy in Houston, Texas. Gayle, what's your top tip for applying a practical versus emotional approach to clearing clutter?
I think the most important thing you can do is create an algorithm, a set of rules that you can use to filter out any particular collection. So the example that comes to mind is, how do you decide which books to get rid of? Well, you're going to create some arbitrary rules about that to help you make a practical choice through the list. Like, have I read it in ever? Did I buy it in the last 3 months? Is it really a keepsake? That kind of stuff. So create some rules that allow you to keep the stuff that it's really important to you, but set some parameters about ways to reduce the population. It'll help you stay in sort of a practical mindset if you feel like you're applying your choices against a set of rules, and it will help you let go of some of the emotions a little bit so you can make some headway and not get stuck in the emotional response. And we wish you happy decluttering. Bye.